Alright, this is the fuel tank off the 1961 F350. Had some rust pinholes in the bottom, so I soldered it up. You can see there, that's not too shabby. And then they stopped a little bit past halfway, so then I scraped that with a wire brush. There's nothing over there. So then what I did is I poured a little bit of gasoline into this. I flipped it around, made sure the bottom was wet, and then I just put my hand over the filler, and then I put a air chuck, onto the pickup tube, and I pressurized the tank a bit, and I flipped it over, and I noticed it was right here. There was a little bit of weeping, so there was a tiny rust pinhole that I missed, and it was partially obstructed with, powdered crap. I don't know if it's zinc oxide or what. So when you pressurize it, it'll seep gas, but otherwise it didn't seem like it was seeping. Only the pressure made it seep. So I wire brushed it, and I see what I missed, so I soldered that up. And then one of my repairs over here actually blew out. I think there was an air bubble in the solder, so I just soldered it up again. And this should be good to go. I did blowtorch it with the gas in there. There's just a little bit, but and I was a little bit gentle with the flame, considering that there was gas in it and I didn't have an issue. This is electrical solder. It's just a regular low temperature. And in fact, if you were to use electrical solder like I did, you'd probably be better off getting a higher temperature stuff. This is actually the 67%, 34% or whatever, hyper eutectic, or no. Let's see, what does it say? Oh, half and half, 50% lead, 50% tin. Never mind. Oh, and hyper eutectic is for pistons. I'm thinking of, I don't know, there's a term. Anyway, but the lowest. So this has a slightly higher melting point. I guess that's fine. But anyway, this is rosin core. I did take a little bit of zinc chloride flux. Well, I seem to have misplaced it, so I can't show you. That's an acid flux. That's what you use for plumbing soldering. And I put just a little dab of that on there to start, and then I followed up. It may not have been necessary. This tank, you can see it's not terribly rusty. You sort of clean it off with a wire brush. So you might have been fine with just the rosin core solder. I really wanted it to stick good to the steel, so I did use that acid flux zinc chloride. But anyway, yeah, that should be a working fuel tank.
Yeah, man. There it is. So this is super crazy dangerous. That right there is Balin Mania, and we are going to do something really stupid today. It was a terrible idea. Balin might die. It was making me uncomfortable. Go, Balin!
You riding this?
What the fuck is happening?
Balin said not to talk crap about this camera. It's a piece of shit.
This is so unbelievably sketchy. Why must you put me through this, you jerk?
That's the power of really old engineering.
It'd be nice if it didn't kill me. It's not required.
I felt that fucking pop.
Make a wish, everyone. Make a wish. Not okay. You went too far. This guy, man. This guy.